So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here in this video I am going to unbox the Poco F1 series of that is Shabran of Xiaomi. And guys, here I am having a blue color and it is having a 6GB RAM. So guys, without wasting time, let's get into the video guys. Going to unbox the Poco F1 that I've ordered it from Flipkart. And guys, here I'm having a blue color. It is of 6GB RAM and it also 120GB internal memory guys. Here it is a Poco by Xiaomi. It is a sub brand of Xiaomi, and here Poco F1, and some of the main features that I've highlighted here. You can see it is a Snapdragon 845 and liquid cooling technology, means when you're playing a high graphics game, it will help you to boost up your device and you can play all the games very smoothly. So this is the plus point they have provided. And guys, it is having dual camera 12 plus 5 megapixel, and guys, it is also the main thing that is they have provided 4000 mAh battery guys. So as I said, it is still blue, 6GB RAM, 120GB internal storage, and yeah, some of the information. And here it is about information about phone. And so guys, without wasting time, let me open it out. You can see it is the first section guys. Yes, it is the case they have provided, a very soft case guys, and user manual about the product. If you will read it, you will get the basic idea. And here it is also one more. It is like Xiaomi only, they have provided like Xiaomi, and yes, it is in the Chinese language. And here it is the main phone guys. It is a blue color. Let me put aside and come to the charger, and it is adapter guys. And yes guys, it is 3.3 ampere fast charger guys. So yes, they have provided good thing. And guys, yes, it is type C cable. So yes, this is also very good point about the Poco F1. They have provided in a budget segment, that is type C cable. So guys, here you can see I'm having a still blue color. And let me give you the physical overview about the phone first. And guys, I have applied the protection glass. Make sure guys that it is not having any kind of Gorilla Glass. So make sure that as soon as you buy this product, you apply any protection glass from the available market guys, because it is not having a Gorilla Glass protection. And let me give the physical overview. And guys, you can see it is the mic, audio mic, and 3.5mm jack. So yes, it is also the good thing they have provided 3.5mm jack. And it is the volume up and down button, volume bloggers, and it is the power button. It is, and guys, make sure 3 of them are made up of plastic. And at the end section, you can see it is a dual speakers, stereo speakers, and I will be giving also the review about this. As you can see, it is a type C port, and at the back it is made up of plastic guys. Yes, this is the not good thing about whole phone. It is made up of plastic, and rest all will be the good one. And guys, you can see 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera. And guys, the camera is also very highlighted. You can see it is a red background here, and it is a dual LED light. So yes, you can take the photos at night also. And it is a fingerprint scanner, and we will be also testing the fingerprint scanner in this video with the face unlock also. And this is the 20 megapixel camera. It is speaker, and it is also having a flashlight. So yes, it is also a plus point. You can take good pictures at night also. So guys, you can see I boot up the device for the first time. It is Poco by Xiaomi. So guys, I have added a fingerprint scanner and a face data both also. So let us check it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes guys, absolutely, fingerprint scanner is very fast. It's just taking 0.5 seconds. And let me go for face unlock. And yes guys, face unlock is also very fast. Yes, it's very fast. It's just taking 0.5 seconds. And guys, I've also tested the face unlock at night. It works also very well. And guys, let me go to the setting and see the function about phone. And guys, first you can see Poco F1, model number Poco F1, and guys, it is running on the Android 8.0 Oreo. And guys, I come to know from the Xiaomi that it will be giving soon Android 9 Pie update within 1 month. So yes, it is a good thing. And it is having, guys, as I said, it is 6GB RAM, and it is octa-core maximum 2.0 GHz processor. So guys, this one will be definitely very good for the gaming. And guys, you can see from 128GB, 112, around 112GB is available. And guys, make sure it is having hybrid slim slots. The user interference is same like the mi only, but it is, I would like to say, custom. It is like a very good regarding to mi. It is custom UI mi. And let me go to the camera, and guys, you can see the camera section is very good. First it is a short video, photo, portrait mode, square mode, panorama mode, and manual. So guys, yes, it is having a good features inbuilt, and you can see it is also support HDR mode, means you can take it very high dynamic range photo, and the quality will be very absolutely very good. And guys, it is AL camera, that is artificial intelligence camera. And guys, let me take one sample shot of the phone itself. And yes guys, clarity is very good. So yes, the back camera is also very good. So guys, it's time for the speaker test, and let me play one music. So yes guys, the speaker is absolutely very fine, and it is a dual speaker. So guys, audio quality will be definitely very good. I found the speaker was very good, guys. And guys, at the end, it's a time for the review. Overall guys, the phone is very good, absolutely very good. It is a flagship phone, and guys, I will be telling some of the main good features, main points about the phone, guys. It is provided Snapdragon 845, so it is very good in the flagship phone. And guys, even the camera, face unlock, and fingerprint scanner, both are very fast and accurate, guys. And even the screen resolution of the phone is very good. And guys, the front and back camera of the Poco F1 is also very good, guys. And guys, it is also the good thing, they have provided the fast charger inside the box, means you can do quick charging with a very less time. And overall, it is also USB Type-C cable. And but guys, some of the thing I didn't like about the Poco F1, it is made up of plastic. And guys, about like another Mi phones, it is not provided IR blaster, so this is also the not good things. And the notch is of the phone is also very good. And overall, guys, I will definitely like to say you can go for this phone, and it's absolutely good one. Poco F1 was very good. And guys, if you have any question regarding the Poco F1, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will definitely like to help you guys. And guys, if you find my videos very helpful,